Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking beauty salon logo for your salon. So, if you're starting a new salon or already have your salon business and need a professional-looking logo, this video is for you. After that, you need to search for Beauty Salon Logo. The best part of Canva is that you can modify already made templates created by professionals and creatives. Now, search for Beauty Salon Logo, and you'll see plenty of options. You can browse Canva templates, go to See All to view all the templates, and choose any template you like to modify. Just scroll down to see all the options available. You can easily customize the templates provided. You just need to add your own branding and text. So explore and pick whichever you like to customize. Maybe I'll choose this one. Okay, this one is free, so I'll go with this one. Just click on the logo you like and customize that template. And now we have full access to modify however you want. If you want to change the color, just select the element and change the color as you like. Play around with it, and if you want to change the text, just edit it like this and experiment. You can simply double-click it to change the text. And if you want to play with text, click on Text, and you'll have the option to change the font, resize, change color, make it bold, italic, underline, strike-through, uppercase or lowercase, alignment, create lists, adjust line spacing, and letter spacing. If you want more customization, there's transparency and effects. And if you want to make your text curve, you can do that as well. Let's remove it for now, and to animate this element, you have options too. If you want to position it with one click, just select Middle, and it will move to the center. You can experiment the same way. So, in this way, you can customize everything as you like. If you want to add your own element or icon, go to Upload. Upload it from your computer, and your icon will appear here. You can just drag and drop your icon in. And if you want to add elements from the Canva library, go to Elements and search for Salon. You will see many options. If you want to add any of them, just select and change the color, or remove it as needed. You can just use whatever you like and add anything you want to include. So just add your own text, images, logo, branding, colors, everything you want. When you're done with your design, you are ready to export it. So to export, you just rename your file and go to Share and download it in PNG format. Or if you want to download it in another format, those are available as well. Just download it, and now you're ready to use your salon logo designed by you. In just a few minutes, your beauty salon logo is ready.